Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to create a peaceful scenery drawing. Imagine yourself in a serene place as we bring this vision of life. First, grab your pencil and paper. Let's start with a basics. A horizontal line across the middle. This will separate the sky from the land. Draw lightly as we might adjust it later. Above the horizon, let's sketch in the sky. Picture soft cloud. Draw a few wispy, fluffy clouds. You can vary their size and shape, imagine them floating gently. Now let's add a sun or a moon just above the horizon. Whatever you like, if it is a sun, make it is a bit larger and brighter. For a moon, add a few stars around it. Below the horizon, let's add some rolling hills or a lake. If you are drawing hills, start with gentle curve. If it is a lake, make the line smoother, sketching across the landscape pictures and reflection of the sky or stars in the water. Thanks for watching this video.